Model, 67-plate Peugeot Boxer 335 L3 Hdi spares OR repairs Star-struck ULEZ compliant perfect to make into a ULEZ removal truck smirk. Body, white, Luton, box with tail working lift. Mileage, 198127. MOT, 24 March 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 4 HHC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs perfect, engine is misfiring but no knocks or bangs, engine is down on compression on a cyclinder, plenty of life left in the engine in the correct hands, smiling face with open hands, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HP